We chose Northern Ireland predominantly for the skills base that is available in the aerospace cluster that exists here. We were able to get that metalwork skill combined with our own composite skill to deliver the service that we require here. So we would look to expand the service over the coming years then to the aerospace cluster that is in Northern Ireland, and obviously service our customer base in the leasing and airline communities from around the world. The work we will do here involves around the repair and overhaul of essentially what is the cover that goes around the engines. There are many different engine types out there, and you tend to specialise in the more popular ones, which we are doing in our initial setup. Our customer base truly is global. We work predominantly for leasing companies. In our first stage of employment, we've employed 10 people, all local Belfast, taken from the existing pool of aerospace expertise in the local community. We recognised that there is a aerospace cluster here in Northern Ireland, and the ease for us to be able to pick up workers with the required skills, which is in metalwork and indeed composites. In addition, there's facilities of NIAS and Ulster University. We've been working with them over the last number of years. In part, we see that collaboration working better. So expanding into full-blown manufacturing here is not out of the question. So our business plan over the first 4 years is to grow from 10 to 124. So it's quite aggressive, but that's the nature of what we do.